top right corner of your screen. Don't scroll, don't move, don't even blink. Just watch this closely. Whoa, look at this animation. The character movements, flawless. The transitions, smooth and dynamic. The transformations, absolutely mind-blowing. The lighting, the colors, the textures, it's like a Pixar movie unfolding right in front of your eyes. I'm literally glued to the screen. I can't look away. It's that good. And guess what? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this kind of animated video, 100% for free. No subscriptions, no watermarks, no hidden fees, no credit card, just pure AI-powered cartoon magic right from your browser. But before we dive in, please do me a small favor. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, I can keep bringing you more free tools, creative hacks, and insane animation tutorials like this one. Step 1. Find your inspiration. Here's something critical before you begin. Inspiration is fuel for creativity. Open up YouTube right now and search for Ton Style. That's the channel you need to look at. It currently has around 144K subscribers, but only about 191 videos. And here's the cool part. Each one feels like a mini Pixar short film. They're emotional, they're action-packed, they're funny, sometimes heartbreaking, always engaging. Click on the Popular tab and just binge watch. Yes, binge. Watch them from beginning to end. Observe the pacing, the visual storytelling, the way the characters emote. Now do this. Take screenshots of the scenes that move you the most. Save them to your computer or phone. These are going to be your reference frames, your visual guideposts. Keep them nearby. This will help you stay focused and make sure your own creations hit the same emotional beats. Step 2. Generate story prompts using ChatGPT. Now let's start crafting your animation blueprint. Open ChatGPT right now. Upload your favorite screenshot from Ton Style or any Pixar style image you love. Type this prompt. I want to create a short animated video in Pixar style based on this image. Please give me detailed scene prompts one by one. Wait for it. And there it is. Boom! ChatGPT will generate a sequence of Pixar-style prompts perfectly crafted for 3D animation storytelling. Character design prompts? Check. Scene descriptions? Check. Lighting details? Check. Emotion expressions? Oh yes. Scroll through the list carefully. Each prompt is like a storyboard frame. Copy the first one. We're moving to the next step. Step 3. Create your Pixar-style images with Pixlumen. Head over to pixlumen.com. This is where the visuals come to life. Log in quickly using your Gmail account. Don't get distracted by all the HD images popping up. Stay focused. Here's what you do. Click Create New. Set your canvas to 16:9 aspect ratio. This is perfect for YouTube videos, shorts, reels, any platform you like. Go back to your ChatGPT prompt and paste the first one into the prompt box on Pixlumen. No need to tweak it. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom! There it is. A stunning Pixar-style image, complete with clean lighting, detailed characters, and cinematic colors. Now rinse and repeat. Take the second prompt, paste it in, generate. Third prompt, generate. Fourth, fifth, sixth, don't skip. Each one is a critical piece of your animation sequence. Once you've created them all, download every image carefully. Organize them in order. This is your storyboard now. Step 4. Turn images into animated clips with Dreamina. Now comes the real magic, bringing your images to life. Go to Dreamina AI. Yup, you heard that right. This tool is completely free. No watermarks, no credit cards, no tricks. When you first open the site, you might notice only the image generator is unlocked. But here's a secret trick. Turn on a VPN. Any free one works. Refresh the Dreamina website, and suddenly, yes, the AI video generator is unlocked. Here's what you do next. Upload your first Pixar-style image. Paste the same prompt you used to generate the image into the animation box. Click Generate and wait for the magic. In just a few seconds, bam! You've got a fully animated short clip. Now repeat the process for every image. Second image, generate clip. Third image, generate clip. Fourth, fifth, sixth, do them all one by one. Dreamina AI turns static images into fully animated scenes. No animation skills required. With Dreamina AI, you don't just create pictures, you bring them to life. Characters blink, smile, move, and express emotions naturally. It's like magic, but it's AI. Dreamina AI makes animation accessible to everyone. No studio, no budget, just imagination. From concept art to animated video in minutes, Dreamina AI is your creative shortcut. Say goodbye to complicated animation software. Dreamina AI handles the hard part for you. One image, one prompt, one click, and suddenly your story is in motion. Dreamina AI captures subtle movements, like facial expressions, breathing, and glances, that make animations feel alive. It's not just about motion, it's about emotion. Dreamina AI gives your characters life. 0 credits? No problem. Dreamina AI is completely free. No paywalls, no watermarks, just pure animation magic. Whether you're making a viral short, a cinematic story, or just experimenting, Dreamina AI makes the process fun and easy. Watching your own art transform into Pixar-style animation with Dreamina AI is an experience every creator should have. And when you're done, download each video clip in order. These clips are your animation scenes, complete with character movement, glowing expressions, and Pixar-style perfection. Step 5. Assemble your final animated video in CapCut. Let's put it all together. Open CapCut. This is your creative playground now. Click New Project. Import all your animated video clips one by one in the correct sequence. Drop them onto the timeline. Arrange them carefully to match the flow of your story. Now, polish your masterpiece. Add transitions to keep the pacing smooth. Adjust timing for emotional beats. Overlay music, sound effects, or voice narration if you like. Maybe add some cinematic text or dialogue captions for extra flavor. Once you're happy with it, tap Export. Set the quality to 4K for crisp, professional visuals. Take a deep breath and hit that final render button. Congratulations! You started with nothing but an idea, maybe a single screenshot, and now you've built a Pixar-style animated video, 100% for free. No studios, no big budgets. Just AI, creativity, and your own imagination. Share your animation with the world on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even submit it to a film festival if you're feeling bold. Own your creation. Celebrate the moment. And of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and get ready for more tutorials just like this. This is just the beginning. Boom!